Hello everyone, welcome back to English class with Samantha teacher. Today we'll be moving on to week 3 of our online English classes. We'll be talking about experiences and feelings. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing well and that you are still staying warm and healthy. Today we are going to be talking about experiences and feelings. How do we ask about experiences? We say, have you ever? And this is what we use to ask about someone's past experiences. So we're asking if they have done or have not done something. And we're also going to go over how to talk about experiences. You must use the past particle verb with this expression. So what is a past particle verb? It's the PP verb. Now, let's see how we can change a verb to a past participle. So we're changing the verb to the PP verb. Okay, for example, go. We'd change go to gone. Be to been. See, seen. Eat, eaten. Get, gotten. Ride, ridden. Break, broken. And lastly, sing to sung. So that's how we change the verb to the PP verb. So that's what we use when we're writing about experiences. So we're talking about past experiences and feelings. So it's something that you have felt before. And we're going to be talking about experiences. So how do we talk about experiences? So, for example, we say, I have never, and then you add the PP verb. I have, PP verb, before. It was my first time to, then you complete the sentence. I hope you're all still following. Let's go over some examples using what we've just learned. So, for example, the question would be, have you ever used a washing machine? And how can we answer this? So, one way to answer could be, I have never used a washing machine. So that means you haven't done that. I have used a washing machine before. That means you have done something. And the last one, it was my first time to use a washing machine this year. Okay, so that's how we could answer. Okay, let's go over the second example. Have you ever studied English online? How could we answer that? So one way to answer could be, I have never studied English online before. I have studied English online before. It was my first time to speak English in the comments. So that's how we could answer this example. Okay, so activity time. So what I'd like you to do in the comments is write down one sentence about your experience. So we have to remember the 3 ways we could use to talk about experiences and feelings. So let's have a look at them one more time, and I'd like you to write down one sentence about your experience in the comments below. Okay, so this is how we talk about experiences. So one way we could say, I have never, then you complete the sentence. Or we could say, I have, then you put a PP verb before. It was my first time to. Okay, so we're going to write down in the comments below. I hope everyone is doing well and that you have a good weekend ahead. Thank you. Goodbye.